I don't like to admit it, but when I started my sales journey, I was most afraid of making cold calls. Getting out of my comfort zone and develop new customers was the biggest challenge and reason behind not achieving my targets. While discussing with my manager, he gave me few suggestions like sending cold emails to technical team, making cold calls to purchase department, convincing security person to let me go inside and demonstrate my product. I tried everything but not succeeded. After lots of brainstorming, I got an idea to send an email to HR person of a company, briefing him about what our company does and how we can help them by providing training at free of cost. Within 2 days, I received a call from maintenance head inviting me to meet in person and design the training program for 2 hours. Initially, my manager was reluctant to carry out this activity as this customer was not giving any business to us. However, somehow I convinced him and we went ahead with conducting this training program along with our technical team. Here's 3 benefits I experienced by imparting training to customers. Let's explore these benefits one by one in this video. Hello everyone, I am Shah and welcome to our channel Experience Candles. Those who are new to this channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe button and join this journey of learning by sharing. Coming to benefits, the first benefit was access to all stakeholders. By conducting a training program, I could meet all technical people and purchase people at one place. If I would have made cold call, I could have met very few people. So, training program was an opportunity to interact with each and every stakeholder and form my stakeholder strategy. Second benefit was handling objections. While conducting training program, there were many objections from these technical and procurement people regarding various aspects like technical as well as something related to commercial, like how we will supply this product, what will be our delivery period, and so many other things I could discuss in this training program. This helped me to position my product against existing supplier. Third benefit was to demonstrate my product capabilities. Training program was the right platform to demonstrate my product capability by showing demos and sharing SOPs so customers can get maximum benefit by utilizing my products and services. Which are the other benefits you can think of by imparting training to your customers? I am excited to learn from your ideas, stories and suggestions. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next.